So there you have it, guys. That is Matariki at the Waterways here at Papamoa Beach, Tauranga. Yes. Oh, I really enjoyed my night last night, and it was a really good event, but it's only fitting that I do my review here at the gorgeous Papamoa Beach. Anyway, let's talk about the favourites. Yes, I think favourite number one would have to be the community vibe. Yes, I mean, as soon as you got there, you could feel the atmosphere sort of growing with anticipation, and everyone just having a great time. So, you know, everyone's just helping each other out. You know, hear kids crying, some people say, oh, do you need some help and stuff like that. Yeah, it was a really good vibe. So that was favourite number one. Favourite number two would have to be the lights as well. They've done a fantastic job. So really, you can tell how much effort they've put into this Matariki event, and they did it really well. So man, shout out to those guys that put up those light displays. So yes, favourite number two is the lights. Favourite number three, I'd have to say they did really well on the crowd management. So crowd management is my favourite number three. Yeah, because what they try to do is try and stagger the crowd 1 hour intervals. So when you buy your ticket, you come over, say like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. So they try to stagger it out. But I believe that the light display was so good that people went around a second time and a third time. So it kind of, they tried their best, but it didn't end up that way. But nevertheless, I think there were moments there we got really crowded. Everyone was very, very happy, very, you know, supportive, very cooperative as well. So yeah, so the crowd management, I think they did it really well. So yeah, that was my favourite number three. Dislikes, I have none. I really enjoyed that night, so 0 dislikes. And rating, I'd probably give that a 5. Yeah, it kind of reminded me of the Festival of Lights in New Plymouth, and it definitely has that type of vibe. Yeah, I really enjoyed it, So yeah, it definitely earns its 5 out of 5 stars. So yeah, is it worth visiting? I only sort of come over here by chance. Like, I was at Rotorua and drone show was cancelled, so I had to sort of make some last minute sort of reservations. So sort of stumbled across this one here, and I didn't know what to expect, and now that I know, it's like, oh wow, this is actually a pretty cool event. So luckily enough for me, yeah, it's pretty cool. My opinion, I think it's definitely worth a look, you know, there'll be times where other events are quite crowded, and this one here is pretty good. Yeah, it's definitely worth it, So yeah, there's so many events on Matariki Day, so you just got to pick and choose which one. And you know, if you happen to be in Papamoa Beach on Matariki Day, yeah, go and check this out. It's definitely worth a look. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. That is Matariki on the Waterways at Papamoa 2026. I didn't get to see the drone show 2026, but I have an alternative here, and I have to say it was pretty awesome. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you at the next one, Cheers.